animal hospital. One day, Jack and Loki were playing near their house when they heard a strange noise. They went to see what it was. "It's a duck," said Loki. "Its wing looks hurt. We shouldn't move it." And Jack, "Let's get that." Dad got a cardboard box. He put the dog gently into the box. Then the family drove to the animal hospital. "Quack, quack," said the dog. "Poor thing," said Mom. "It thinks she's scared. She's just been in a curd with that driving." Lot, Jack. Mallee ducks. The ducks in this story is of family Mallee ducks. Male Mallee ducks are more careful. They have green head and yellow beak. "Hello," said the bat. "I'm Anna Kirby. What have we got? What have we got here?" She took the duck out of the box and examined it carefully. "Bird wings. Wing bones are froggy. They are mostly hollow, which means they are light. This makes it easily for birds to fly." "She's hurt her wing," said the bat, "but luckily it isn't broken." The bat straped the wing to the bird's body with a bandage. "It will take about 3 weeks to heal," she told the boys. Andrew, one of the nurses, took the duck to the special area at the back. "All the birds are kept her," he said. "Vet training. It takes 5 years to train. To become a vet needs to know how to care for lots of different animals."